All right, now I want you to meet magnesium. Magnesium has two things. You can remember magnesium is mellow. You can also remember magnesium is a hero. Magnesium is very strong and very brave. Adenosine, ATP, adenosine triphosphate, has a very powerful phosphate bond that's released in reactions to power the reaction. Well, it's so powerful because it's got a big negative charge on it right next to another big negative charge. Now, how come it doesn't break apart? The reason it doesn't break apart is that magnesium is holding them together, just like magnesium holds these horses together. It is strong and heroic. That is magnesium. And so it doesn't allow this extra phosphate to be released until the time is correct in the reaction to release it. Okay, just like Charlton Heston in the movie 10 Commandments, it's got a tight grip on those horses. The phosphates are like the horses to make things run correctly. Okay, now here's the other thing magnesium does. Magnesium has two jobs, you know. Okay, another job magnesium does, here you can see it guarding this ion channel. Magnesium will sit in the center of the calcium channel on your brain cells. This calcium channel is called the NMDA receptor, NMDA receptor. And the magnesium sits in the middle of it because it's attracted to the negative charge inside the cell. We talked about that, negative 65 millivolts. Okay, in your brain cells though, when glutamate comes across a synapse, it'll first bind to a sodium channel called the AMPA receptor, AMPA receptor. And sodium will initially come into the cell, and that will depolarize the cell, meaning that its charge will move closer to zero. And when negative 65 millivolt charge is depolarized towards negative 40 millivolt, now the magnesium doesn't have as strong of a negative charge to be attracted to, so the magnesium will pop out of the ion channel, and that will allow calcium to enter the cell. Okay, but this prevents overactivation of your brain cells. If a person is deficient in magnesium from their diet, then they're going to have less ability to block this receptor, and their brain cells are going to be hyper excitable. So you will notice, if you've studied nutrition, that the Paleo Keto Carnivore low carb diet people are basically a bunch of impulsive, lower level of human jerks who are rude and nasty because they can't control themselves, and that's because they don't get enough magnesium. Magnesium is located in the center chlorophyll. Okay, so I'm just showing you that's one of the reasons why, you know, these meat and junk food eaters are so impulsive and bad behaved compared to us superior low-fat vegans who have clean arteries and highly functioning neurons. Okay.